Hi, this is EURJPY and today it's Thursday, 25th of June 2015 and the time is 13:18 GMT. I'm Sofia and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members, FX Holics Forex Signal subs users and WhatsApp Signal subscribers. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. Where does the pair want to go? This is the main question I get from my users, and I understand why, because we see crazy moves. So let's start from the monthly. Stochastics show, and the move from the lower Bollinger Band to the median Bollinger Band and the edge of the leading Kumo, everything shows that the pair wants to go up. And although the Bollinger Bands have formed a bottleneck, the pair will go all the way up to the upper Bollinger Band before deciding if it will make a breakout upwards or if it will go down again and possibly make a deep plunge. For now, what is important to keep in our mind is that the main biases are bullish. But let's go to the smaller time frames and see how the price action cycles are formed there. On the weekly, the pair made a very strong upward move, touching the upper Bollinger Band, and now, as stochastics confirm, because both of them have made not just a bearish crossover above the 80 level line, but also have crossed marginally below the 80 level line. So we see that with these spikes here, this up fractal here, and the Kumo above the upper Bollinger Band and the Kumo, all this picture shows that for now the price wants to go down to the median Bollinger Band to make a statistical validation plans, to take more strength and shoot higher. So the move we expect to see is from 138.50 down to 133.77. Almost 500 pips. So let's go to the daily. This is correction time, and on the daily we see that although the price is interacting with the median Bollinger Band and the median Bollinger Band goes up, all these up fractals and the morphology of the upper Bollinger Band having made a curve and the price having crossed below Tenkan Sen shows that the pair wants to make a plunge. The most immediate plunge for now is down to the lower Bollinger Band and specifically to the Tenkan Sen level at 137.14. So that means a move of 140 pips, 135 pips, not bad. So we are looking at a downward move of 135 pips, although all biases are bullish. This is a part of the inner cycle of the price action in lower time frame, lower than the monthly and the weekly. So let's go down to H4 because many of us may not be able to take the risk and enter from the daily, placing our stop loss possibly above these up fractals here, which makes the risk-reward ratio unworthy. It makes the trade unworthy. So we go to smaller time frames looking for a nice entry. And on H4 we see, judging from this hammer candlestick with this huge spike, that the price, and the stochastics going up, that the price wants to go up for now, possibly going, it's time for a statistical validation move up to the median Bollinger Band. We have to wait patiently for this move to happen, to be completed. Ideally we want to see a swing high above the median Bollinger Band, a loop. But even a spike above the median Bollinger Band or touching the median Bollinger Band and then the price returning, going down and forming a fractal at the point of touching the median Bollinger Band will be enough for us to start looking for our short entry criteria to be met. So We wait for the upward move to finish. We already had a valid correction because a bullish candlestick closed above Tenkan Sen, marginally, but above Tenkan Sen. Now we wait for the upward move to finish, and when it finishes, we will look to enter short when the price makes a bearish cross with Tenkan Sen and closes below Tenkan Sen. Tenkan Sen must go down. Median Bollinger Band, of course, will be going down. Stochastics must go down, and Chiku span must go straight down. These are our entry criteria. So we will enter short at the price level of 138.28. 138.28. I will insert a shape here, an arrow, and only on the condition, not now, only on the condition that the price will make a correction. Even if one candlestick randomly closes below Tenkan Sen, although the second criterion that Tenkan Sen must go down will save you from a false entry. But even if you see that, don't enter. Wait for a proper upward correction to happen, to finish, and then enter. So enter at 138.26. Place your stop loss at 139, just above the median Bollinger Band. Probably there will be a fractal there when the correction finishes. And your take profit target can be where Tenkan Sen on daily is at 137.07, and if the price continues falling lower, you can be looking at 135.13, where Tenkan Sen on weekly is even 133.72 or 95, 134. Where the median Bollinger Band on the weekly is. So for now, you wait for this correction. You enter from the price level of 138.26, and let's see the price. The profit you are looking at, it is a nice profit of 118 pips, pretty nice. Even 100 pips or even 80 pips would be great. So go for that profit for now, and I will not tell you about stop loss trailing because we see all these crazy moves. So go for that profit for now, and we will reevaluate our position on the pair as soon as the continuation of the downtrend of the fall is established. Thanks for watching, and happy pips.